Welcome back to the channel. The car we are exploring today is the BMW M3 EV 2027, a groundbreaking evolution of one of the most iconic performance sedans ever created by BMW. Known for its perfect blend of power, precision, and everyday usability, the BMW M3 has long been a benchmark in the sports sedan segment. The 2027 cubic meters EV represents a bold step into the future, transitioning from traditional combustion engines to a fully electric performance platform while maintaining the core identity that defines the M brand. Car model. The BMW M3 EV 2027 is expected to be built on BMW's next-generation electric architecture, possibly based on the new class platform. This new foundation is designed to support high-performance electric vehicles with improved efficiency, range, and structural rigidity. Unlike traditional M3 models, the EV version will likely feature a multi-motor setup, delivering power to all four wheels through an advanced all-wheel drive system. This configuration will enhance traction, stability, and overall performance. BMW is expected to offer multiple variants, including a standard performance model and a more aggressive competition version, ensuring a range of options for enthusiasts. Car exterior. The exterior design of the BMW M3 EV is expected to combine familiar M3 elements with a futuristic electric aesthetic. The front will likely feature a redesigned kidney grille, more closed off for aerodynamics, paired with slim LED headlights and aggressive air intakes. The car's overall stance will remain sporty and muscular, with wide fenders and a low center of gravity. Aerodynamic enhancements such as sculpted side panels and airflow channels will improve efficiency and performance. At the rear, signature M styling cues such as a subtle spoiler, diffuser, and sleek LED taillights will be present. Lightweight materials, including aluminum and carbon fiber, will be used to offset the weight of the battery system, ensuring optimal performance and handling. Car interior. Inside, the BMW M3 EV is expected to offer a driver-focused cabin with a strong emphasis on technology. The interior will likely feature BMW's latest curved display system, integrating the instrument cluster and infotainment screen into a single seamless unit. High-quality materials such as leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber will maintain the premium feel associated with the M brand. Sport seats with enhanced support will ensure comfort during both daily driving and high-performance situations. Advanced connectivity features, voice controls, and customizable digital interfaces will enhance the driving experience. Despite its focus on performance, the cabin will remain practical and comfortable, staying true to the M3's everyday usability. Top speed and performance. Performance is where the BMW M3 EV is expected to redefine expectations. With a multi-motor setup producing an estimated 600 to 700 horsepower, the car could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Top speed is expected to be electronically limited to around 155 miles per hour, with higher limits possible in performance variants. Instant torque delivery from the electric motors will provide rapid acceleration and responsiveness. Advanced torque vectoring will allow precise distribution of power between the wheels, enhancing cornering performance and stability. The M3 EV aims to deliver the same engaging driving dynamics as its predecessors, but with the added benefits of electric performance. Fuel type and electric powertrain. The BMW M3 EV is a fully electric vehicle, powered by a high-capacity battery pack and multiple electric motors. This setup eliminates the need for traditional fuel, relying entirely on electric energy. The electric powertrain will provide instant torque, smooth acceleration, and quiet operation. Regenerative braking will help recover energy during deceleration, improving efficiency and extending range. BMW is also expected to incorporate advanced battery technology, ensuring high performance and reliability under demanding conditions. Range and efficiency. Range and efficiency are key considerations for the BMW M3 EV. The car is expected to offer a driving range of approximately 300 to 350 miles on a single charge, depending on driving conditions and configuration. Fast charging capabilities will allow the battery to recharge quickly, making the vehicle more practical for long-distance travel. Advanced energy management systems will optimize power usage, ensuring a balance between performance and efficiency. While high-performance driving will reduce range, the M3 EV is designed to provide sufficient efficiency for everyday use, capability and driving experience. The BMW M3 EV is engineered to deliver a dynamic and engaging driving experience. Its low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, enhances stability and handling. The car will likely feature adaptive suspension systems, allowing it to adjust to different driving conditions. Steering will be precise and responsive, maintaining the connection between driver and road that the M3 is known for. Multiple driving modes will enable customization of performance characteristics, from comfort-oriented settings to track-focused configurations. Despite being electric, the M3 EV aims to preserve the emotional and engaging nature of driving. Market value. The BMW M3 EV 2027 is expected to start at around $80,000 to $100,000, depending on the variant and features. Higher performance versions and optional packages could increase the price further. As a high-performance electric sedan, it will appeal to both traditional M enthusiasts and new buyers looking for cutting-edge technology. Comparison. The BMW M3 EV will compete with vehicles such as the Tesla Model 3 Performance, Audi RS e-tron GT, and Mercedes-AMG EQE. While Tesla focuses on acceleration and technology, Audi emphasizes refinement and design, and Mercedes-AMG blends luxury with electric power. BMW aims to deliver the most engaging driving experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, the BMW M3 EV 2027 expected represents a major milestone for BMW. By transitioning its iconic M3 into an electric platform, BMW is embracing the future while preserving the performance and driving dynamics that define the brand. With its powerful electric drivetrain, advanced technology, and driver-focused design, the M3 EV has the potential to set new standards in the performance sedan segment. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share.